system is pretty easy, and it's pretty easy to understand, and it's repetitive. So once you got pretty much the first line, you're pretty much on a roll after that. Just the fact that it's one person building the system, it gives you more flexibility and able to put down more panels. Out of the systems that I've seen and had to install, I would say Ecolibrim is one of the easier ones due to the fact that they have thought about the installers and how much time it takes for us to actually get the panel set and ready to go down. So because of that, they have made it a lot easier. I have worked with some systems where it's too many pieces. Like it takes a very long time just to build the panel before it goes down. With the Equilibrium system, I would say that they pretty much sped us up to the point of getting the panels down faster.